At SA Hensby Plant Services, we repair and service a wide range of plant machinery and garden tools, including mowers, strimmers, hedge cutters and chainsaws. With our fully mobile service, we bring the expertise to you, whether at home or your business, making sure that your tools are fit for maintaining your garden now and throughout the summer months.
Now, previous to us getting this machine here, I had warmed it up, because the hotter the oil, the faster it will come out. So this little bit of machine goes in where we put the oil, we pump it up, and we can see the oil flowing out of the machine and going into this container. A little while to empty. Now that's all the oil out. Now we're going to drain the petrol. Okay, that's the petrol out, pipes back in so there's no spillages. Two reasons why we do this. When we tip the mower over to take the blade off to sharpen it, we don't want the oil running into the carburetor. And when we start the machine up, we get what they call the hydraulic effect. And we also need to drain all the old fuel from over the winter. So now what we can do, we can tip the machine any way we want. We'll get rid of this and we'll get some machine to get the blade off. So what we can safely do now is tip the machine on its side, trying to keep it on the mat. And nothing shouldn't happen to our machine, petrol wise. So now what we're looking to do is take the blade off and get the right size. Firstly, I'm looking for any bent blades, which we haven't got, and now we can get the battery grinder and start sharpening. So, blade sharpened, ready to go back on. Blade always goes on that way as it turns. It pushes the grass upwards and into the box. We've checked the blade, it's straight. We're happy that it's sharp. We're now going to fit this back onto the mower. I can see that the belt is absolutely fine. We need to get this on the right way up. Okay, so a good indication, change them yourself. Bolt, you can see where the bolt's been, in it goes and on it goes. Always putting these bits at the top to create the wind, push the grass into the box. Not too tight. Right, so we've done underneath, we're happy. We took the petrol out, we know we've got to replace it, we've got to replace the oil. Before we do that, we need to replace, not blow out, to replace the air breather, and we need to change the plug. Okay, this is a typical plug. This is a BCPR6ES, and that is a typical air breather. So we now can go into the van and get the right equipment. Okay, there's your new plug in its box. We get the plug out, and we check it with the old one to make sure it's the same length, which it is. It's the same make and it's the same number. Again, not too tight. On goes the cap. The old filter is blue, the new filter, which is green. They are the same, they're the same size, they're just a different make. Give it a quick blow out, make sure everything's fine, it looks good. Air filter complete. So that's our service basically done, bar oil and new petrol. So what we're actually doing now, we're making sure that we've got enough oil to actually start the machine. We know we've got nice new petrol. Another thing to look out for, have we got any petrol filters? No, we haven't. So this machine is now up to scratch and ready for working. So what we've done now, we're happy that the oil's at the right level, we've got clean petrol, we should be ready for a full working season with no problems, we hope. A service, when we come to do a service, we need the machine running, otherwise it becomes a repair. I'll just show you bits and pieces in the van. People do say to us before we come or while we're here, how do we make sure that we've got the right plug and the right air filter? Well, obviously we look at the air filter and we try and match the air filter here, or we look it up, and if we haven't got the filter we will return with the right filter, or if the filter can be blown out we will fit it. Plugs, we've got a little chart here. So in the machine, what we've just took out today, we look at the number, we match the plug with what we've got there, and if it matches on here I know that I've got it with me. So that's hopefully two of the little things that we get asked cleared up before we come to you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that we can help you in some ways, and I hope that the summer's good for you and we can get the lawn cut and you can go out and enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Call or email Steve to arrange an appointment.